Apple's 2025 innovations, redefining technology. Apple once again raises the bar in 2025, pushing boundaries with groundbreaking innovations, iconic designs, and a seamless user experience. These devices are not just tools, they're companions that shape the way we live, work, and connect. 1. iPhone 16 Pro Series, a leap into the future. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Series is more than a smartphone, it's a technological masterpiece. Graphene battery revolution. Say goodbye to long charging times. Fully charge your device in just 10 minutes. A18 Bionic chip, the fastest chip ever, integrating cutting-edge AI and machine learning for an unparalleled experience. Pro camera system, a 48-megapixel front camera and 10x telephoto zoom redefine photography and videography. Every shot is breathtakingly vivid. 2. Apple Vision Pro, a mixed reality revolution. Dive into the future of mixed reality with Apple Vision Pro, blending AR and VR like never before. Professional empowerment. Boost productivity with lifelike communication and multitasking tools. Immersive entertainment. Experience cinema-level visuals with 4K clarity and spatial audio. Calmness. Redefined, enter a world of relaxation with advanced meditation modes tailored for mental well-being. 3. Apple Watch Series 10, your personal health guardian. The Apple Watch Series 10 takes health monitoring to an extraordinary level. Glucose monitoring. Non-invasive glucose tracking keeps your health in check effortlessly. Micro LED display. Stunning visuals that adapt perfectly to your needs. SOS satellite connectivity feels secure with global emergency support at your fingertips. 4. MacBook Pro M3 Ultra, power for the pros, gamers, developers, and creators. This one's for you. M3 Ultra processor, the most powerful processor yet for blazing fast performance. Liquid Retina XDR display, enjoy 8K resolution with unparalleled detail and color. Eco-friendly design, crafted with 100% recyclable materials because innovation should care for the planet too. 5. Apple AirPods Ultra, hear the difference. Redefine your listening experience with Apple AirPods Ultra. Adaptive transparency filters out noise while keeping you tuned to the world around you. Lossless audio. Immerse yourself in pristine sound quality. All-day power. With over 12 hours of battery life, you'll stay connected longer. Apple's vision for the future. These devices represent Apple's dedication to blending advanced technology, sustainability, and user-centered design. Whether it's enhancing your lifestyle, empowering creativity, or keeping you connected, Apple's innovations are shaping a smarter, more efficient world. Your turn to experience excellence. Ready to revolutionize your life? Dive into Apple's 2025 lineup and experience the perfect harmony of technology and everyday living. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on tech and innovation. Stay tuned for exclusive insights into Apple's next big moves.